Come here waiting Fulani people they do for the place where they call Umunede for Ika. It be like for Delta State. This in the wonderful people. Come here waiting they happen for Umunede for inside the Delta State, a place where they call Ika for a Delta State. No be small thing, as we they talk right now, they say that the Fulani Heřdsmán enter inside this village. As they enter inside this village, now so they go carry 3 boys, buy them. Now the villagers come provoke, carry their mugs, carry their house, everything where they build for that village, come carry and go down. We no end for there. They leave that place where they go another place, go still buy another person. So I will bring this video where this our sister they explain. May you hear wetin dey happen for inside that area. So for most of now, where they say Igbo na your problem, I want ask you now whether na Igbo people they buy people for inside your village. Now watch the videos and hear by yourself before we come back and continue. You get one information we want still pass for here in case of Ebubeagu buy your person or buy your brother born a house. As it start right now, our brother whether they call Nonsonkwa say don't gather the whole information. May you come bring your own documentation, come give them follow you so that they go fit use am. He said this last one now they want pure Ebubeagu as it start right now. Bring your evidence, bring your information for those contact wey go leave for here so that you go submit them, go give them. Now watch the video of wetin happen for Umunede. Then before we jump inside Nonsonkwa, stay tuned, watch the full videos.
Everywhere does scatter Coco. Nedi febe kebu Where one never na call di. Call akwane wa. Hey. Ela tani ele me o unelezini ni wela tuntu or anything. Umunede dey hot. If you dey inside or if you dey outside, lock yourself inside house. Everybody for Umunede don't like all the old schools where do Umunede, everybody don't enter inside house. It might need you be yaba imemolo dodo. You need to be safe. Umu college and where this car delewe. Ara lesu Umunede. Regarding Tony Lemeni Alumunede. Una no be say that they drag Umunede na peaceful land. Everybody know say Umunede wa choku and then they make all those kind of stuff. So yes, stopuni ni Ndausa lebundi ya too much. Like Ndausa ndi Fulani we jemu nya we kidnap onya we bue. So recently when one boy, 2 boys were bumbiri. That was on 4 days ago. Where the boy, Ebubu where the boy. We no hapo nya wusa no bia bagwawe. So ndimbiri no bia Umunede ba dun moxi. Ndausa okun. If you know Umunede, you go know wetin they talk. No bia do moxi. Ndausa okun. This video go long because I won't really explain. When no bia do moxi Ndausa le quarter Ndausa no Umunede. If you dey familiar with Umunede, you go know say Hausa people they get moss for year. So emegu wenya o lecha wan keta ni wani wesini onwezima deto wegbu igbodo. So ndi igbodo an we bia wan Umunede by attacking Ndausa ojimeni ebelecha no scatter eleni Alumunede ni wendi le menjo ene moku ogun life on time. Everybody knows Umunede eme oku ogun. The problem with Umunede ni Ndausa Ilari Alumunede, Ndausa busy Alumunede too much. And the kidnapping case. Onyigodo. Ya unle kunya ye menita ninu wegbe wa ya indigodo. Hey! Koko. Wesi ya yanku. Wesi nindigbodo, nindi Fulani je igbodo je bundinya madeto yakwe ebu. So ndi igbodo no sini wecha Ndausa mekani Ndausa Umunede yakwe busy. And that's the real problem of Umunede. Ndausa where le boy need Umunede problem. No be say as I thought Umunede they hot. That they use their own to they affect us. Make they come out Hausa people for Umunede. We not fish out. Because me now today now, see me. I be the guabo. Melenem kegi garage bele chaskata. When them tell la uzotan and they say abaele. This video go long because person really need to talk. I just want to do this video so that everybody go know. They keep person from Biri. I been at the one way that they rape people. We know if they go for, we know if they do Ndausa, we kidnap, we kidnap Wanego 190 we jemezije we kidnap Egbuwa onye graduate ni mbiri nkonwu we gbu the boy buzo onye ya le agbajumbo nwunwa nwunyaun ya this one wey dey sup today nwunyaun we je igbodo je egbumadeto ndausa o mekani the headquarter ebe na Umunede ya ke ndausa base na make all these things dey affect Umunede so ndị gbodo anwa we bia nwa ba attacking ndausa ojimeni ndausa na ogba ima we no ji opia chuko all those kind stuff no be say Umunede people na bad person but na those Hausa na ndausa we put on enu ndị Umunede na then they bring problem to us so before you talk rubbish, because as I drop this video, if I see any stupid comments, I go delete you or block you.
Vico, a very quick one. Last year, we documented through our office, Protect the Weak International Foundation, Nchekwando Benye Foundation. We documented Ndinine, Bunde Ebubeagu, Barola Hoko, Manolo, Manizombe, Managwa, Manokigwe, Manambise. We documented them. And also Ndi Ebubeagu Burumpaha, Nolo, Ndi Ebubeagu Buru, their relatives, Manoso, Manebende also, Nimo State. We documented all of them. Now, reach out to our office once more. Reach out to our office once more for an updated information. Reach out to our office once more for further information about the case. Anye Hajiga. Okachase. Ndenine with the victims of Ebubeagu militants in Imo State. So reach out to our office. Unaman office, you know our office, you have been there. So be in our office from 10 a.m. till 12. Be in our office from 10 a.m. to 12. Or you can reach out to me. Case when they are no longer in their villages. When they burumpaha, they are no longer in the village. When they burumaha, they are no longer in the village. You know, so reach out to us, to our office immediately. Moge Omo na my number 081 33 05 0089. Gibo Epikiro. Send their message either through WhatsApp or SMS. Gibo Epikiro. Send message or through WhatsApp na 0813 305 0089. So I prefer any WhatsApp room. For security reasons. So WhatsApp me, send SMS, we reach out to you for further information. Ndine bundi beran office last year documentary. Bundi Ebubeagu barono foko, bundi Ebubeagu burumpaha mabu maha, manoso, manomutanze, mana awi demili, mana wamama, mana kabo, mana izombe, mana agwa, mana mbise. Ndine bundi beran office last year. Now we have an information, very, very critical information. So WhatsApp me or send me SMS. I prefer you send SMS or you WhatsApp. Very, very important. Very, very important. Secondly, ndini bundi onye ha furu na Tiger Base. Ndini bundi onye ha asi na emechara ahuburu yedia emechara ahụzia unamanze ebe ono. Ndini bundi onye ha furu na Tiger Base. Whether ma una anụrụ na egburu ha egbu ma wegbu ha egbu ma unu nụkọtara na ha na ebe ahụ na anụzi na ha nọ dị a. Ndị niile bụ ndị onye ha furu na Tiger Base. Ma ndị niile ma na egburu onye ha na Tiger Base. Ọwụ mpa gị, ọ nwanne gị nwoke, ọ nwanne gị nwanyị. Anybody na Tiger Base. WhatsApp me too 08133050089. Very, very important. Also. WhatsApp me very, very fast. There is a critical development. Thank you very much. Thank you and thank you very much. This is courtesy Nchekwando Benye Foundation. Thank God and thank you.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg, as you don't watch the video, make sure you share so that other people go get the information and know how it is they go. If people know what Ebubeagu do for all, these people buy a lot of house, so they do what they come back. But as it stands right now, Nonsonkwa say he ain't go carry them reach anywhere and give justice to the people who are seeking for the justice. I beg, may you share and follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. My people, don't forget say see there for Balabas gist. As they watch the video, make sure say they share so that other people could get the information and know how it did happen for that area.